cuts were better than that.
Looks good.
There it goes. Oh,
oh boy.
are you kidding me?
It's like a teeter-totter.
Teeter-totter of death.
Oh dear.
Oh my God, you're kidding me.
Got it all stuck in there now. Now what?
It was balanced really well. Oh, scared of that
I
thing.
know, I'm a little scared of that too. No, that's not gonna do it.